of Elite Extra Edition. This is number 69. All right. Good luck to you guys. Diamondbacks just ended in Gypsy Queen. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. All right, guys, good luck. I have strong feelings about these 5 boxes. Strong feelings. Out of $9.99, Stephen Almas for the Pirates. Isaiah White out of $9.99 for the Marlins. Yep, here we're already starting. 3-color patch out of Drew Harrington for the Braves. 25 of 25, 3-color patch auto, Drew Harrington for the Braves. Corbin Burns out of 100 for the Brewers. And out of 200, Matt Stram for the Royals. Justin Dunn, Chris Paddock, Zach Jackson for the Blue Jays auto. No number on that one. Out of 75 on card, Matt Stram for the Royals. And out of 75, Jimmy Herget for the Reds. Alright. Out of $9.99, Tyler Eppler. Pirates. Tyler Garlick. Dodgers. And we got a out of 75, Mark Mathias auto for the Indians. Out of 75. And for the Padres, 2-color, 1-color camo, 2-color. Manuel Margot for the Padres. I believe that's Jakey Jake. 25, Manuel Margot. That's 2 purple patches already. Out of 200, Jeremy Martinez. Red Sox just ended in Gypsy Queen. We are now on the Cubbies, White Sox. Chris Rodriguez for the Angels. Ian Anderson for the Braves. Hunter Cole for out of 25 for the Giants. Hunter Cole for the Giants out of 25. And Cole Stobbe for the Phillies. And out of 49, Kyle Funkhauser for the Tigers. This is Gerber, baby. Shit. TJ Zeuch. George Briner Bell. Drew Smith for the Tigers auto. Frazier and Gerber, baby. Jersey out of $2.99. And out of 99, Connor Jones for the Cardinals. Let's focus. Reds, Indians, Rockies, ending there on Gypsy Queen. Tyler Epler for the Pirates. Joshua Lowe for the Rays. Team USA jersey auto out of 49, Taylor Walls. Out of 999, Reese Hoskins for the Phillies. And out of 49, Alex Spears for the Rangers. Chris Rodriguez, Yandy Diaz, and a Keston Hiura out of 49 jersey auto for Team USA. And a out of 49 for the Giants jersey, Alberto Mejia. And a Sean Anderson out of 99 for the Red Sox. TJ Zooch. Cody Sedlock. Oh, here we go. Oh, we need apparel. Kevin Mayton for the Atlanta Braves auto. Going the Braves, Kevin Mayton. Out of 200, TJ Friedel. Out of 999, Matt Cooper. And a dual jersey of Reyes and Glass now. It's probably going to be random. This Hudson Potts, Matt Cooper, TJ Friedel, jersey auto out of 99 for the Team USA, and KJ Harrison out of 99, Team USA, and Andrew Jersey for the Diamondbacks out of 75. This package is very thick. She says. Oh, there's a huge patch. Oh no. Man, where's the patches? For the Red Sox, triple jersey, but no patches. Out of 15, Benintendi. I thought this was going to be for sure a patch. For the Red Sox. Cody Sedlock. Reese Hoskins and AJ Puckett. Out of 200, Miguel Angel Sierra. Some freaking weird ass boxes. Cole Reagans, Matt Strom. We got this same card out of 149 now. On card auto out of 75, Sheffield, and for the Dodgers. On card auto and 200, Kyle Garlick. Yeah, Thomas Jones, Mason Thompson. Autos of Dietrich Enns and Cody Sedlock, not numbered. Orioles and Yankees. And out of 99, Taylor Trammell for the Reds. Out of 999, TJ Friedel. Out of 999, Andrew Jersey. 200, Chris Paddock. A Brody Corner auto for the Yankees. Yes, we broke Prime Signatures. It's already on YouTube, Steven. And a dual jersey out of 299 for the Marlins, Thomas Jones. Dustin May, Miguel Angel Sierra. On-card auto out of 50 for the Red Sox, Anderson Espinoza. And an on-card auto for the Braves, Joey Wentz. And a 75, Dewell Lugo. Ouch. Zach Gallen, Jake Rogers, Isaiah White out of 200 for the Marlins. Auto of Chi-Wei Hu for the Rays. And John Duplantier out of 99 jersey auto for the Diamondbacks. And on to the next one we go. All right. Chris Rodriguez, Nick Longy. Gosh, another random. Margot out of 299. Nick Gordon for the Twins. Auto. And an Alex Spias out of 200 for the Rangers. Gypsy Queen still ending, guys. Gypsy Queen still ending now. TJ Zeech and Pete Alonso out of 999s. And we got here Max Kranick for the Pirates out of 75. Mason Thompson for the Padres. And Gavin Lux out of 99 for the Dodgers. Francis Martez and Hudson Potts out of 999. TJ Zeech out of 49 for the Blue Jays. And Matt Cooper for the White Sox. And a quad relic of Friedel Young, Berkwich, and Rivera for Team USA out of 199. Out of 999, Joey Wentz and AJ Puckett, Royals and Braves. Oh, out of 15, playoff ticket for Team USA, Royce Lewis, out of 15. Braden Webb, on-card auto out of 25 for the Brewers. Triple jersey of JT Riddle Me This out of 149 for the Marlins. And then Connor Jones for the Cardinals. Hunter Cole and Alex Spias out of 99. Tyler O'Neill for the Mariners on-card auto. Jersey auto of Sean Anderson out of 99 for the Red Sox. And a Hoy-Jun Park out of 200 for the Yankees. All right, last box. Good luck, guys. It's been a weird freaking case. Out of 999, Nicholas Lopez and Hoy-Jun Park. Roddy Reed for the Nationals. Out of 50, on-card auto for the Red Sox, CJ Chatham. And out of 25, Dewell Lugo, tie-dye parallel for the Diamondbacks. Out of 999, Phil Maton and Alec Hansen, White Sox and Padres. Out of 25, die-cut auto, Clayton Blackburn for the Giants. I need some focus, goodness. Quad jersey of Dixon, Olsen, Friedel, and Harrison out of 99 for Team USA. Phil Maton out of 200 for the Padres. Out of 999, Jesus Luzardo and Robert Tyler. Hans Kraus, season ticket for Team USA. Out of 100, Hoy-Jun Park for the Yankees. Nick Longy, dual jersey out of 299 for the Red Sox. And out of 75, Alex Ibanez for the Rangers. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Out of 999, Connor Jones in jersey. Francis Marquez and Sean Lupin. J.B. Woodman, college ticket. I believe he's Blue Jays, right? I'm pretty sure Blue Jays. Josh Rogers out of 99 for the Yankees. All right. How many randoms am I going to have? A lot. Well, this one is a cracked ice for the White Sox. Out of 24, Zach Collins. Cracked ice for the White Sox. Nice. Brendan McKay out of 99, jersey auto for the Team USA. And Robert Tyler out of 200. 999, Ronnie Dawson and Bernardo Flores. Alright, I got about 18 randoms to do, so give me 1 second. It's the most randoms ever. Yeah, of course you had to do this. Alright. What do we got here? Pirates, Cardinals, Pirates, Cardinals, Pirates, Cardinals, Pirates. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give one to each team. So. Alright, the other one is Indians, Tigers, Indians, Tigers. And then we have Red Sox, Padres, Red Sox, Padres. Then we have Astros, Braves, Astros, Braves. Alright. Come on over. First up, we're going to do the Glass Now Reyes. This one's going to be for the out of 149. Whoever ends up on top gets the out of 149. The other team will get the out of 299. Alright, so we're going to roll the dice. We do not do 2s and 3s. So 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goes to the Cardinals. So the out of 149 goes to the Cardinals. The out of 299 goes to the Pirates. Next up, Gerber Baby versus Frazier. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Goes to the Tigers. Tigers get the dual jersey. Next up is Manuel Margot. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Goes to the Padres. And last is the Newcomb Martez dual jersey. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Braves get that one. Braves get that one, and that is it. All right, Elite Draft Football